Hey, welcome to the video, y'all. I hope that y'all are doing well. This is your girl Tony with Eat and Travel with Tony. And of course, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a banana pound cake. And I cannot wait for y'all to see this recipe. And for those who make it, I can't wait for y'all to taste this doggone recipe. It's going to be dang good, y'all. So before I get started, of course, make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos I upload from this point here on out. If you ain't seen those in the past, go check them out too. So, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. I've already put 2 sticks of butter here. I'm sure there's probably more coming. But like I said, this is where I add the butter, the sugar, or sugars, into the mix. So, like I said, definitely, y'all. Like I said, this was one that I had never made before, a banana pound cake. I made it. The only reason why I made it, of course, is because I had some bananas on my table that was going bad, y'all. I had like 3 or 4 bananas on the table going bad. I was getting nets in the house. I'm like, I got to use these things to make something. So I decided not to make the banana cookies, banana pudding cookies, and decided to go ahead and make this pound cake. And I chose the right thing, y'all. This pound cake was the bomb, y'all. I'm a banana lover. I love bananas. Some of y'all may not like bananas, but I love bananas. But like I said, definitely, y'all, this cake was the bomb. And like I said, I know sometimes we have a lot of things at home that we're trying to figure out what to do with when it comes to stuff in the kitchen, like bananas, some lemons, some oranges, some different fruit that we may have, apples. Just keep in mind, you can make a lot of desserts with that, y'all, if y'all want to make desserts with them. You don't have to make desserts, but I would definitely make desserts with them. You can make some orange pound cake, or lemon pound cake, or lemon cookies, orange cookies. You can make some banana nut bread with the bananas instead of putting it into the pound cake, or you can make a orange bread, like a pound cake bread. You like I said, you can make all those kind of things, or even a cake, y'all. Apple fritters. You could, like I said, don't sit there and throw all your stuff away. Make sure that you use the stuff that you got in your house to create stuff with. That's what I do. Yes, I'm a baker. My business is called Cookies and Ish. It's out of my home. I'm licensed here in Arizona, so of course have the business here. But like I said, even if I did not have the business here, baking is something that I've always loved and I've always did, because it of course brought joy to my heart. It helped me heal. It helped me love myself. It helped me plan for the future of myself as well. My home and my family as well. Baking helped me do a whole lot of things. Healing was the main one. But like I said, you have to find what you like to help you heal too, and to create in the kitchen, especially if you like being in the kitchen but don't know what you want to make yet. Make it. Just use the stuff that you got to make something that you know how to make. And even if you don't know how to make it, I may have a video on here that you can check it out too. But just make something with the stuff. Don't just keep throwing stuff away and wasting food and stuff like that. I guess that's the message for this video, I guess. Like I said, since I made this video, this banana pound cake, because I wanted to not let these bananas go bad and me throw some more bananas away in the trash can. I was not going to do that again for the second, third week in a row. That I was not about to do. Like I told my partner, I'm about to make something in this kitchen. And like I said, a pound cake came from my mouth. I'm like, I'll make the pound cake. Because I have never made a banana pound cake in my life. And I wanted to make that pound cake because I knew it was going to be the bomb anyway. Everything I make is the bomb. So I know that already. Y'all may say, so what? She lying. Come taste my stuff, y'all. Order you a cookie box. I'll put the link in the description. Cookies and Ish. I'll put the link in the description for you. www.cookiesandIsh. You can order a cookie box anytime that you feel like it. I mail out those cookie boxes usually the 2nd and the 4th Saturdays of the month. You can taste any kind of cookies that I make. I put it that way. Or that I have for that month and the theme that I have for that month. Because my themes rotate, y'all, and the cookies do too. I don't have most times a lot of the cookies that I make, except for a few, a lot of them won't be made again. Maybe a year or two down the line, possibly, yes, but not right then. Because like I said, there's different reasons, different seasons for the things that I do, y'all. And y'all got to get that stuff while it's hot. I put it that way. But like I said, back to this banana pound cake. So like I said, this was the bomb pound cake. And like I said, again, I made this because I didn't want to throw away my doggone bananas. That was going bad. Like I said, we have to get, especially with all the crazy stuff going on nowadays. This is 2025. As y'all know, all the stuff that's happening right now in this year. This is like the middle of the year. This is like late summer. We got to save all the stuff that we can and utilize that stuff. Instead of just throwing it away or getting rid of it or trying to do whatever we're going to do with it. Bake something with it. Like I said, that's what I had. That's what I did with this particular cake. I'm not getting rid of these bananas for the second, third time in a row. Heck with that. I'm baking me something with these things. I knew it was going to be some kind of cake. I didn't think a pound cake at first. But I'm like, yes, that fits it perfectly. A banana pound cake. And let me know in the comments if y'all have ever had a banana pound cake. Let me know. Like I said, this is my first time making one. But I'm sure there's others in here that may have already made this cake before. So let me know, y'all. But like I said, it was dang good. I didn't have any. Well, I had to give my neighbor one, a piece too, because she, of course, watched. She did some stuff for us, I guess, in the house and for our plants while we were going on vacation. So I wanted to make sure she had something as well, or a piece of this as well. So I told her the next few desserts that I make, I'll definitely bring her some. And I kept my word and took her some, y'all. But like I said, other than that, this banana pound cake was gone to the bellies and the mouths. Everyone loved it, y'all. Everyone loved whoever tasted it, because I only had 9 pieces, so I only made enough for, like I said, for 1 pound cake, 1 bundt cake for 9 pieces, and that's all who got some. My neighbor, and then of course I guess 8 other folks. Cause I wasn't joking about that, y'all. Like I said, once I make something, it's usually gone unless somebody's going to order one specifically for them. You can always order one, especially if you're in southern Arizona, in the Tucson area or the surrounding areas. If you want to order a cake from me, that kind of thing, cupcakes, cookies as well, anything that I make that y'all have seen in these videos or on my social media, feel free to reach out to me. I have an order form for that. I take corporate orders as well. If you're working at a business, you want to have my cakes there, my cakes taste so good or they look so good to you, make sure that you let your boss know so they can buy one too for y'all holiday parties and stuff like that. Like I said, there's no reason why you can't, y'all. Go ahead and do that doggone thing. But like I said, y'all, I hope y'all have, like I said, been enjoying this video. And like I said, definitely, I just wanted to say what's up to y'all today. And like I said, let y'all know what I'm making. Like I said, this banana pound cake was the bomb. Let me know in the comments whether y'all are making this cake too. And feel free to, of course, share my video out with somebody that you know that loves to bake, that may want to make this cake. Social media, I'm fine with that. I'm all over social media. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Let me see, LinkedIn. Where else am I at? Twitter. I'm all over the place. And YouTube as well, because this is for YouTube, so YouTube as well. Share my stuff out. I definitely do not mind, y'all. There's somebody else out there, I'm sure, trying to create a business where they want to make cakes like this, or trying to just heal from different things and make cakes and stuff at home just for the fun of it. Or try to find something they want to get into, or just make the cake just because. Just because they love bananas too. So y'all, with that, I want to say thank y'all for watching. Like I said, you will see the captions come across the video to let you know when I'm adding eggs or adding the dry ingredients or that type of thing, or flipping the cake and this kind of thing. You will see that too. But like I said, definitely y'all will see all that coming across the screen. But like I said, make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos uploaded at this point here on out. If you have not done so, please go ahead and do that now, especially if my video, of course, touches you and you want to stay in my circle, stay in my world, eat and travel with Tony. Please do go ahead and subscribe. Feel free. Until then, y'all, I'll see you on the next video. Take care. This is Tony signing off. Peace, y'all.